Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be talking about plaque. Yes, plaque. I'm going to be showing you a product that I received from a company. I'm going to put the name up above because my pronunciation, I don't think I'm going to pronounce it right. But it's Ckeyi N. Ckeyi N. I'm really sorry if I have not pronounced the name of the company correctly, but that's what I'm getting from the letters. Anyway, so I received this product to remove plaque. Now I thought, yes, this is my thing, because prior to being a mummy, stay-at-home mum, I worked for a private dental practice for 4 years. So I do know quite a bit about the background of, you know, teeth and things like that. So I received this product. Now I'm so happy, really happy I did, and to share with you guys this product, right? It's oral care kit. My gosh. Let me just get back straight into it. So this is what comes within the packaging. I will show you a close-up. And this is how the case looks like. And then also within this packaging, you will receive how to care for the tools, instructions, and a user manual as well. Within this care kit, you receive a dental mirror, tweezers, dental probe, a dental pick, a dental stickle, and also it will tell you about the cautions as well. I have used this. I took my time trying out this product because I wanted to make sure that it did the job, okay? And it certainly does. If you want instant results, not anything that will take you 2 weeks or, you know, a few weeks of trying and it doesn't really work, it doesn't take all, this will remove all your plaque if it is used properly, okay? So I'm just going to show you a demonstration on my daughter's toy just to show you exactly how to use the product. Right, so here is my daughter's toy, Mr. Chatter Teeth. But I thought this would be a good way of showing you guys how to use it. Now, I'm going to demonstrate with this dental probe, okay? And as you can see, there's a rubber casing, and they have this on all of their dental equipment. So all you need to do is remove this. And please make sure that you sterilize these first. You sterilize them in hot water, and if you've got like 100% alcohol, spray it on there, leave it on for 20 minutes, wash again with hot water just to make sure it's really clean and you don't get any infections or anything like that. Right, so what I do, start off with the front of your teeth, okay, the obvious. Just going to open your mouth. Now, when you are trying to remove the plaque, try not to dig into the gum. This is obvious, but try not to dig into the gum. I'm going to come closer. You want to scrape upwards, not down. You do not want to go this way because then you're going to obviously dig into your gum. This is not what you want to do. Don't use it this way. To be on the safe side, use it scraping upwards. So you will just scrape up like that. Upwards, okay? In between your teeth, scraping. Now you do have a mirror as well to be able to see inside when you're doing inside, because that's a bit more tricky. So please take your time, and if you have a lot of plaque and build up, please make sure you contact your doctor or your dentist before using this, just in case you might have gum disease or be someone that's prone to bleeding profusely. You do not want to use this without seeking professional help. But this is advice for people who have no other issues but plaque. If you do have other oral issues, please contact your dentist. So like I said, scraping upwards. Take your time. Just scraping upwards until you get most of your plaque off. This is a floss. This did not come with the kit, and you could purchase this anywhere. Once you've done scraping in between your teeth, floss in between, rinse your mouth out, and then go back again. and do some more scraping. Now, if you have a lot of plaque build-up, I would suggest going quarterly. So just say you do the lower left side of your teeth first until that is done properly, and then maybe leave it 2 days, and then go for the lower right, and then upper left, upper right. You know, just so you're not digging too much at your teeth. And if you've got sensitive gums, that's the best way to do it, just doing it quarterly. And so over a space of probably a week or probably 10 days, you have gotten to all of your teeth. So that is what I'd recommend if you have a lot of build-up. And also you have this mirror to help you have a look. Okay, so can you see? So you can be accurate and see, but please make sure you take your time and use a steady hand, because it is very sharp. It's very sharp, and you can puncture, you know, holes in your gum. So that's why, hence the reason why I'm saying scrape upwards, away from the gum, please, away from the gum, guys, yeah, and take your time. And I guarantee you guys will get amazing results. Don't scrape too hard, just take your time doing it little by little, and if it does take a couple of days, let it take a couple of days. It's better doing that than damaging your teeth and gums. You also have tweezers, so if you have big chunks of plaque, that you could just pick them out after you're done scraping away. So these are quite good for that, but that's only if you've got like extreme levels of plaque. Okay, so this is the method that a majority of the dentists use, and you can, but a lot of them have the electrical version, but this is a good, safe and effective way of removing plaque without going to the dentist. That if you've got a phobia, this will be excellent way of removing plaque, and it's straightforward, because I see a lot on YouTube with bicarbonate of soda and brushing it away. But to be honest, yeah, it works, but it's just, if you want fast results and you don't have time for that, this is the go-to. That kit is the go-to. But please be careful, and please contact your doctor and contact your dentist to make sure that it's safe for you to use, because you might have some. For me, I don't have any issues. I get a bit of build-up and plaque like most people do. So for me, using that is not a problem. Hence the reason why I said, yeah, I'll go ahead with it. But I guarantee a star for this product. If you haven't got a steady hand, I wouldn't recommend you using it. If you're a bit shaky and all that, no, because you know, it's very sharp objects. And like I said, to clean it, hot water, spray with 100% alcohol, leave it for probably 20 minutes, whatever, wash again, let it air dry. Put the rubber ends back on, and you're good to go. Yeah, so I hope this helps somebody out there. I hope it helps a lot of people, but yeah, this is, give it a go, guys. I will put a link down below where you can get it as well. It's from Aliexpress, from that company as well. So please go, let them know I sent you, and happy plaque-free life, guys. Right, so I will see you guys soon, and if it has helped you, if you've tried the product and it has worked, please put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback about it as well. So I will see you guys in another video. Take care now. Bye.